Hi, so in this video, we're going to take a look at how to pan your audio in Adobe Audition, or you can call it like making your audio stereo. And there's a few ways we can go about this. So if you're in Adobe Audition in the Waveform editor, and maybe you already have your audio recording done, what you can do is click the right mouse button and go to Convert Sample Type. And right here, if you choose stereo right here, you can convert your mono track into a stereo track. And right here, you have an option to, if you want to, you can, for example, make your left side slightly quieter compared to the right side. And this will create this effect, whereas your audio will sound as if it's coming more from the right side. And this could be useful if you're maybe trying to create this audio imagery where someone is standing on your right side, so the audio from the left is a little bit quieter compared to the right side. But in the waveform, if you're using the waveform, it's a little bit more primitive and you have less options compared to the multitrack editor. So if you need something a bit more nuanced, then I would instead go to the multitrack editor. And right here, when you are creating a multitrack session, one very important thing is for you to choose a stereo master, because if you don't do that, if you choose mono, you won't have an option to pan your audio. So this is very important. And you can go ahead, create the session. You can insert your track if it was in the waveform editor. And right here, you can see this panning line, this blue line. So this will create the stereo effect. And if you don't see this line, that's probably because you created a mono multitrack session. So right here, if you want to pan your audio, this will be way more nuanced and a little bit more advanced compared to the waveform, because right here, as you can see, this is like an envelope where you can control how your audio is maybe going from the left side to the right side of your ear, and you can create this like a walking illusion. So for example, if there's some footsteps, and I like to do that a lot. So for example, you can create an effect where you have maybe someone standing right in front of you, and then they walk away from you through the doors that are on the left. In that case, I would have my keyframes initially at 0, but then from the point where they are moving towards the door that are on the left, I would create this like a fading effect or like a panning with the keyframes, and this will create this imagery where someone is walking further away from you, more towards the left side, and it will sound really nice and more realistic compared to just like a basic mono sound. So I'll play the sample right here, but this is a very nice tool that Adobe Audition has, and I love to use it. It's very useful for me when I'm doing some audio editing. So we will try and make this audio panned. We'll create a stereo audio file, and this is just a test audio track so that we have something to work with.